Online AM Educare system. Now this is a short explanations that how this entire course is running. Now this is the paper called Biochemistry, and the cost of this paper is 2500 only, and the validity of this paper is 180 days for the date of purchase, that is 6 months. So whenever you purchase this, it will go for 6 months for validity. Now before purchase we have these options to go for the trial session. So we have this syllabus like introduction, unit 1 bioenergetics, unit 2 carbohydrate, then we have lipid, then protein, then enzyme. So we have these all respective important chapters are there in biochemistry paper. And if you see what includes that, if we are enrolled, then here is mentioned that is you are enrolled is a free as a free session. 52 free lessons are there, 5 tests are there, 10 trial sessions are there, and online accessibility. That means you can access the course online, or you can also download this in your mobile app. So this is the lipid chapter. So I'm going to the trial session that I have enrolled this session as a user. So if I click that lipid portion, that we can get every chapter that get the same thing, that presentation slide. That means that the portions that we are using for deliver the lectures. Then we have video lessons 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these all 6 video lessons are very very important. These are the video lessons which actually gives the entire descriptions of the lipid chapter, and if you go through these video lessons very well, then 90% of the total chapter get completed. Then we have another options called important question. I will show you that what is this. These important questions contain several important examinations questions, subjective questions that are important for university examinations. Then we have section quiz options. So that section quiz is basically MCQ test that are actually based on lipid chapter. So let's start with the presentation slide. If I click the presentation slide, then you can see the open option over here. So if we click the open option, then you can get entire PDF versions of this. Absolutely downloading or sharing content is prohibited because all are encrypted files. So you cannot download or share, rather you can write down this all information in a copy. So these are the topic of discussion that we are seeing right now, because these are the topics that we are going to cover in lipid. So if you follow these topics, that is your syllabus, and if you follow this all topic and if you cover this all topic, so then lipid chapter is absolutely done. So we have some definitions, examples, and these are the slide content that in a PDF version. So you can write down this all informations in a copy. So it will also help you when you understand the video lessons. So in the right side we have the control panel, and then we can see that unit 4 lipid chapter is there. So presentation slide is open as a PDF. We have these video lessons 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these all video lessons are recorded, and these video lessons are actually the main part which actually gives us the understanding about the chapter. We can also see another attachment over there. So you can see the attachment here in web version or in the James clip sign in app version. So if you click the attachment file, then you can see that there is a downloadable attachment is there. It's a lipid attachment. It's a marked ebook by the mentor. So if you download this button, if you click that one, so this entire marked ebook will be downloaded in your system, and you can take a printout of that. So this PDF is absolutely free, and that is for marked PDF. So the important portions are already being marked over there. So this is video lesson 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you complete these video lessons very fast, so this kind of all 6 important video lessons that gives you the detailed information about this chapter. These all are recorded, so it's unlimited view option. You can view these all video lessons anytime, anywhere. You can download the video lessons, you can go through anytime, anywhere in unlimited view. Next, once we are done with this chapter, then you have to click this important question. So if you open the important question, then you can get 15 important questions from this lipid chapter. These questions are very very important for university examination purpose. And once you are done with this chapter video lessons, then your role is to write down this all questions answer from the study material that you will get in your house after the purchase, or you can also go with the downloadable study material. So you just write down this all answer, and if you wish, you can send this all informations, right answers to the mentor, and they will correct it. And after the important questions, so we have another features of section quiz that actually gives us this MCQ pattern question. So if we go for the retake test, because that I have already given a test, so the test option, so we are getting 15 important questions from lipid. So these all questions have these positive marks too, and there is no negative mark. And we have a countdown timer of 25 minutes. It's already going on. So we have a digital calculator over here. So if you click that, you can get the scientific calculator over here. We have this entire display pattern is actually the design or the interface of this pattern is absolutely as an NTA pattern. If any student practice this also, they can clear any examinations nationwide. So we have several questions over there, so we can go for right answer. We can just randomly, we are going with that, so it's just taking a bit of time. So once we are done, we say for example I have done with this all examinations. So if we click the submit one, so if we submit this and then click the submit, so this window reminds us that how many answered is there, how many answered that we have made or skipped, how many questions that we have skipped, marked for review, total question number. So if you are happy with that, then you can click the submit button, so you can get the solution. Now you can see that I am getting 1.75, which pretty bad score, but yes, okay, it's a demo portion. So view the view solution. If you click the view solution, then you can get the solutions over there. So this is the right answer, and then if we click that one, so this is the right answer that that is right for me. So these are the information that you are getting. If you click the explanation button, if any questions have this explanation, so if you click that explanation, it will show you the explanation part. And if we see the questions report, or if we see the section analysis, then you can get how did we perform. So the detailed analysis, detailed statistical analysis that we have right now, where you are standing score, the topper score, the average scorer, and you are having this. So these are the detailed statistical analysis that you are having right now. If you see view report option, then you can also get several detailed analysis like the answer and the time taking plot. So these are also very much helpful to actually engage you in different kind of questions answer pattern, so that actually help you in getting score much more better. So now that these are the portions that we are having, so we can see that we have introduction part, we have bioenergetics, carbohydrate, lipid, protein, and enzyme. So for the trial version you can go with that, but if you need to see the protein classes, say for example if I need to see the protein classes, then you have to purchase this one. So if you click this buy now option, then it will drive you to the payment gateway page, and if you pay them, then automatically your all classes will live on then and there. Okay, so this is all about this biochemistry course. Thank you very much for listening to this section.